Understanding towing capacity. A guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, towing capacity. This is a common term in the automotive world, and understanding it can be really useful, especially if you're interested in vehicles or need to use them for work or travel. Towing capacity refers to the maximum weight that a vehicle can safely tow. It's an important specification for trucks, SUVs, and other vehicles that are often used to pull trailers, boats, or caravans. Understanding this term helps ensure that you don't overload your vehicle, which can be dangerous. Knowing a vehicle's towing capacity is crucial for safety and legal reasons. Overloading a vehicle can lead to accidents, damage to the vehicle, and even legal penalties. It's also essential for planning purposes. You need to know what your vehicle can handle before attaching a heavy load. The towing capacity is determined by the vehicle manufacturer and takes into account factors like the engine size, brakes, transmission, and chassis strength. It's important not to exceed this limit. Always check the vehicle's manual or manufacturer's website for accurate information. Let's look at some examples. If a truck has a towing capacity of 5,000 pounds, it means it can safely tow a trailer or load that weighs up to 5,000 pounds. It's vital to consider the total weight, including the contents of the trailer. Always check your vehicle's towing capacity before towing. Ensure that the load is properly secured. Drive cautiously, especially when towing heavy loads. Regularly maintain your vehicle to handle the extra strain of towing. I hope this video has helped clarify what towing capacity means and why it's so important. Remember, safety should always be your priority when towing. Happy and safe driving!